This tip is on Drive file stream for Google. So every teacher should have Drive file stream installed in your computer. If you click the Windows button in the corner and scroll to the D's, you should see Drive file stream. If it's not on your computer, put in a help desk ticket to get it installed. Once it's installed, all you have to do is click on this. It's not going to do anything for me right now because I'm already connected, but for you, a window would pop up and you would put in your email address and password just to get logged in the first time. Now, whenever I open FileStream, or if I do a file save as and I have this File Explorer window open, I'll see Google Drive FileStream right here. And when I click on it, I see my drive and all of the folders in that. And I also see any shared drives, and I have a bunch of those as well. So I can open my drive and a folder inside that, create a folder if I need to, and then I can also, let's say I want to open in a separate window, maybe my T drive or something else, I can click and drag and drop those over into my drive, and that's a very quick and easy way to upload a lot of information or a lot of files. So if all of this is in my T drive and I want to move it all over to my Google Drive, I just select it all, move it over. No biggie. But this makes it easy to get in and out of your Google Drive file stream, especially with files that are not Google created files. Again, if you don't have Drive file stream, put in a ticket. And if, one more thing, if you notice that this changes from Google Drive to a G with a question mark, it's just lost its connection. So all you have to do is go down here, scroll down, find Drive file stream, open that again, and it'll come right back up for you. Reconnect. So let me know if you have any questions. Hope you found this useful.